This rotary dial desk telephone was produced in Antwerp or Anvers in Belgium throughout the 1920s. The initials BTMC stood for Bell Telephone Manufacturing Company, the name being retained even after the Belgian company split from its American parent in 1925. The 2688 is a variation of the basic 2652 telephone. It was apparently based on an American bellset design and was first produced without a dial in 1912. The 2652 is a conventional telephone with an AC ringer. The 2688 has a DC ringer and a press button, similar to the GP0326, which was used in various extension arrangements. The dial on these sets is unusual in that the fingerplate is part of an assembly that incorporates the number plate, governor, and ratchet wheel, all of which turn together when the dial is used. Only the base holding the contacts and the finger stop remains stationary. Although they are externally similar to the US subset, the internal layout of these Belgian sets is completely different. The disc indicator operates when the handset is on the cradle, but the line is being used by another telephone. Handsome though these sets are, the proof of the telephonic pudding is in the speech. Here's the BT speaking clock.
At the third stroke, the time from BT will be 2:21 and 10 seconds.
And finally, here is a 1924 wiring diagram for a BTMC extension plan and the 2688 paster.